Hey folks, I've got my Walmart Hyper Tough 20 volt weed eater. I'm going to show you how to replace the string when you run out. First thing, for safety, I always take the battery out, even though it's probably not necessary. Next, if you've got string that got cut off inside, or maybe you know that there's string stuck inside, you need to take this cap off, and there's a tab here and a tab here, and you'll need to push those in at the same time, and that will release this cap, and now you can pull this off and pull out any leftover string. You can see all my strings in there still. Once you've removed any string, you're going to put this back in place just like this. There's a spring in there. Perhaps you can see that spring there. You're going to put this back in, and you can see it's spongy there, and then you need to realign this cap that came off with these tabs here, and the tabs on this piece go not where the eyelet is, but 90 degrees off set. So you just push that back in place. Some people struggle taking this off just because maybe their fingers aren't strong enough or whatever. You can take a screwdriver and push it in, and I can see that already released it, or take another screwdriver here and push it in, and that'll open it up for you. Now, once your string is removed, you're going to take a replacement section of string. 0.080 diameter or smaller string is what you need, and up to 16 feet, because that's all that will fit in there. And then, better flip this over here. The line that says load on the red piece and the lines that say load on the black piece need to be aligned. And to do that, you're going to push in on the red piece and rotate it until these line up. Once those line up, you take the string I just showed you, and you want to make the end of it as straight as possible. And then on the outside, where that hole is, you want to push that string through. Like I said, the straighter your string is, the better, and that will come all the way through the other side. Then you're going to pull that all the way through until you've got equal lengths on both sides of this head. So I'm going to pull the string through until I've got equal lengths. Now that I've got equal lengths of string on both ends, I'm going to spin this red piece the direction that the arrow says on wind, which in this case is counterclockwise. And you have to push this down a little bit so that it'll turn sometimes here. And then occasionally it gets stuck there. So you're just going to keep doing that and spinning it. And it's only a slight push down that I'm doing there to get it to spin. Yeah, keep winding that till the string, I'm going to wind that until the string is all the way where it should be. There we go. That is all there is to it. If your string is a little bit too long on one end or the other, when you put your battery back in, you can tap it on the ground while the thing's running, and that'll get them both the same length and cut it off. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, I appreciate a like and a subscribe, and thanks for watching.